Ose analysis of alkenes. This is again an important method for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Alkenes when treated with ozone followed by zinc test, means this is reductive ose analysis. Alkenes treated with ozone and zinc test will give aldehydes and ketones. Alkenes react with ozone and zinc test give aldehydes and ketones. Let us take one example. Simple alkene CH2CH2. When treated with ozone, first you will get ozonide. What is ozonide? This is ozonide. This is ozonide. Ozonide when treated with zinc test, split the bond like this. This oxygen will go with zinc as zinc oxide. What is left? CH2O. This side also we have CH2O. So you will get 2 moles of HCHO, formaldehyde. Simple alkene on ose analysis will give formaldehyde. Means there is no alkyl group here. Only hydrogen is there attached to carbon. So you will get formaldehyde. Now you take another example. RCH double bond, this one. This one. This when treated with ozone. First what will I get? I will get ozonide. RCH this is ozonide. This ozonide when treated with zinc test, split the bond like this. This oxygen will go with zinc as zinc oxide. And what is left? RCHO. RCHO means you will get 2 moles of aldehyde. Now let us take one more example. R2C double bond CR2. When this compound is treated with ozone, first you will get ozonide. R2C. This is ozonide. This ozonide when treated with zinc, split the bond like this. This oxygen will go with zinc as zinc oxide. So you will get zinc oxide plus what is left? R2CO means 2 moles of RC double bond OR. This is R2CO, this is R2CO means we will get ketones here. So now let us learn when we are getting aldehyde, when we are getting ketones and when we are getting formaldehyde. On carbon which is forming double bond, if there is no hydrogen on the carbon which is forming double bond, we will get ketones. If there is one hydrogen on the carbon forming double bond, we will get aldehydes. If there are 2 hydrogen, means no alkyl groups on the carbon forming double bond, you will get formaldehyde. So simple alkenes and terminal alkenes will form formaldehyde. Terminal alkene will form formaldehyde as one of the products. Okay, so ose analysis of alkene, reductive ose analysis of alkene is again an important method for the preparation of aldehyde